Service to the nation.
Service to the nation.
PCRC.
Good afternoon. CP. National Chairman, the person of ALHAJI, MOGAJI. On behalf of the railway unit of the National Pcrc, you are all welcome to this important gathering this afternoon. First of all, I would like us to introduce ourselves. So, without mixing words, let's start from the immediate left of the National Chairman so that we don't mix words.
Service to the nation.
My name is Sarah Movie. I'm the legal advisor to the Pcrc National Women Committee. Princess Jokota Deonori Sasa, Financial Secretary, National Women Committee.
Bankole Akibu, the Secretary for Southwest Pcrc Committee.
Duro Kifa Assis, Chairman, ALHAJI, Railway Division.
Musa, Vice Chairman,
PCRC,
Service to the nation.
Nation,
PCRC.
what about MOGAJI, Chairman of the Railway, PCRC.
Pcrc,
Service to the nation.
I'm Towa Balaken, the PRO, ALHAJI Railway Division. Okay, sir.
Pcrc, I'm Ambassador Nina Omerson, the National Women Coordinator, and Special Advisor to the Executive Government and Community Services.
My name is Prince Ishola Alade, SA to the National Chairman on radio and the airport.
Thank you very much. I'm Able Commissioner of Police, one of the pillars of support of PCRC in Nigeria. No face that used to identify with PCRC. I'm lucky we met you here. I still remain ALHAJI MOGAJI, the National Chairman of PCRC. Thank you very much. I think we don't want to take much of your time. We are here from the National Headquarters of PCRC Abuja to say welcome to you and to thank you for your support to the PCRC. When you arrive, you embark on your tour, and we get a very good report from all our PCRC formation under your command, especially in Lagos here. And your brother that left the office laid a very good foundation, because before him, the PCRC Lagos, the PCRC Railway, they are not active and they are not working with the national body. So it was here when the IGP gave us a directive that the railway, the airport, marine, PCRC must come under the umbrella of the PCRC national body. And he did everything humanly possible to work on that directive. And we thank God for his life. And you know, our IGP to us is an oracle. He knows who fit where. He knows who are capable of handling, because it's not a, being the commissioner of a Nigeria Railway is like an IG of another country. It's not easy. We know what you are facing. We know the criminal out there, the crime in the train, even the crime on the rail, while everybody go to sleep. So our vision for PCRC Railway is a PCRC that we work with, even where they have new station now, where we don't have all these villages must be under the command of the PCRC Railway. We want to empower our leaders in the railway to make sure that they work together to reach out, not only the city. Even their major job is, if they want to assist Nigeria police, their major job is not in Nagege, it's not in Motion. It's in the Kajola, Itoriasis of going to Ibadan, going to Makwa, going to Ilorin, going to Jeba, all these areas where the criminal elements are destroying government property, our own property. that is in your care as the CP. Our system, if not because our system, that is what we are clamoring for the government. This section of Nigeria Police Railway is supposed to have nothing less than 6 helicopters under this commanding. We're supposed to have our drone. The office of the CP is supposed to have a control room that control drone from here to Niger, to Kaduna, to Maiduguri. We're supposed to have a system. While we are here, the CP will be looking at what is going on in Lokoja, what is going on in Delta. That is the dream of Pcrc. And we know it's achievable if we cooperate together. And I thank God we know who you are. They may not know, but I know. I thank God. I'm happy. In fact, getting here, meeting you, I know the job is a done deal. And under your leadership, we want people like Ibadan, as big as Ibadan, they are here to cooperate with this body. And we want you to help us. Give a directive to the area commander. We have our men that will direct and we support them to go. Even your brother helped us the last time whenever they are going from here to Ibadan. He arranged with the Railway Corporation to encourage the committee by giving them free ride to Ibadan, free ride come. So that if they move from here to Ibadan, they finish all the meeting, they invite of another area. They meet with them, whatever they do. If you help us direct, we are requesting, sir, help us direct the area commander in Ibadan to be active, very active in this reorganization of Pcrc Railway. And we know it's what you can do, and we know when we do that, we know we are going to gain a lot, and the Nigeria Police, and you are going to make history. You always make history wherever you work, and we know this one we are going to be Pcrc, the national body under my leadership, and my team in Lagos and Southwest will cooperate with you to make sure after we finish the Lagos, the Southwest, we want to move to other geopolitical zones. But I want us to solidify Southwest. We cannot do that without the active participation of area commander in Ibadan. I know you cover a lot of all these rural areas, but we are yet to see cooperation from that side. The area commander in Lagos here is doing a lot. The last man I met, they are helping us a lot. They are working. But I want us to step up by helping us with your directive. And our team will work with you. Anytime you give us go ahead, we will embark on this move. We solidify Southwest, we now move to the north and south of the country. Thank you very much. God bless you.
The National Chairman Pcrc, ALHAJI MOGAJI, Olani Ibrahim, and his executives. Please, I want to stand on the existing protocol. Yes. So I am highly elated to have you in our midst this afternoon. Though I didn't know that the national chairman would be coming to my office today. It was when the chairman, Pcrc Agege, came in here that he told me that that you were expecting the national chairman, Pcrc. So I'm sorry for that break in transmission.
So sorry.
In any case, I would like to introduce myself. I am CP Kwaimo. I'm from Plateau State. And the meaning of that name, Kwaimo, is the footsteps of the king. You know, in Hausa, Tapun Sarki. You got to go? So, in fact, I thank you for your laudable ideas.
Thank you.
The idea of policing the railway lines is not a small thing. And as a matter of fact, my ears have to be on the ground at all times to hear what is happening around this area. In fact, my territory is the whole of Nigeria, where there is railway. So, people try to commonize the rail line transport. They don't know that it is an important economic venture. It promotes the social. Now that Nigeria's economy is falling, but the present government is trying its best to make sure that Nigeria doesn't just die like that. Hence, their interest in ensuring that the railway lines are functional, in fact, it cannot be underestimated. The federal government are trying. Let us, in our own also, we have a role to play. It is not only the police, but all of us. The ruralized areas, the urbanized areas, everybody has a role to play if we want this country to move forward. We must go back to the drawing board. We must use new gadgets, just such as drones, helicopters. We have to use a lot of surveillance, men on surveillance along the railway lines. In the rural villages, we need to get people that we trust, because vandalizing the railway lines is greatly affecting this country. Recently, I paraded one Kokori and one Mudashiru. Kokori from Delta State and Mudashiru from Kano State. We paraded them here with the vandalized rail track equipment. So, I have given orders that I don't want all these megolas to come into this compound. I have also strategized to make sure that the rail line coaches are well fortified, with men both in uniform and men who are not in uniform. Because men in uniform can be seen by everybody. But men who are in mufti, they will commonize with that. Not this one where they wear agbada or this one where they wear suit. They don't know that there's something beneath. Because I have said it that before I came in, I discovered that they are only carrying pistols. I said, this war is not for pistol, it's not a pistol war. Because if hoodlums come from afar, they will come in their power. And the pistol cannot go too far. I think it cannot match the power of AK. So, in fact, I'm very, very passionate about these rail lines. If we have rail lines now, at least if I want to travel from here to Abuja, if we have a conference, I can leave 1 or 2 days before the day. Yes. So I know when the train is fully functional and it's moving from here to Abuja to Kano, I can leave a day or 2 days before the conference, and I'll be able to attend my conference and come back. It's not like in those days when I entered train in 1988. From Jos to Port Harcourt. I went there to organize, what do you call it? For my department.
Training?
No, to organize, what do you call it? All these visits.
Courtesy visit.
No.
Official visit.
Yeah, I went there to familiarize our people with things around Port Harcourt. the Trans-Amadi,
Okay.
which we have been reading about, and other places. So, I went, I think it took us 2 days from Jos to Port Harcourt. In the night, so, but it was fun, and I enjoyed it. Because when I came back, that we used our university luxurious buses to go there and organize accommodation for the students at University of Port Harcourt, Choba. So, honestly speaking, to me, the rail transport is far better than the air transport. And it's even safer by the grace of God. I think. I know you can die anywhere, isn't it? But let's talk about human safety. If you look at it from whatever perspective, somebody who is flying up,
The risk is higher.
there's no bus stop. Though I know, even the trains too, they just don't stop anyhow. For a train to stop, it must mean a lot, because they stop only at their own stations. A train cannot stop on the way because a trailer is crossing. No, it will just cross that trailer and pass. So, the local woman in the village, if she wants to transport her maize or yams to the city, I think she needs that train, which will be much cheaper. So when transportation is cheap, definitely the cost of your products will be cheap, isn't it?
Yes.
But when you pay so high, at the end, you will put that transport on top of whatever thing that you are selling. So, sir, I really concur with your ideas. I know that you are a pragmatic leader, chairman, a chairman who will do things that everybody will see practically. So I pray that my cooperation with the PCRC, in fact, my cooperation with you, I am trying to say that I will cooperate with the PCRC in all ramifications. I will make sure that even the PCRCs that we are hiding before, they will come to limelight. Our chairman of aggregate PCRC and this Idu PCRC, I think they have been living up to expectations. I really appreciate it. They have been visiting me here. So, you know, visiting me like this gives me encouragement.
That's a beauty. God bless you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So, sir, I wish you a happy and successful tour of duty. Thank you very much.
God bless you, sir. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́, ẹ tún pàtẹ́wọ́, àtẹ́wọ́ sí bí. Thank you very much. Ẹ pàtẹ́wọ́, ẹ tún pàtẹ́wọ́, àtẹ́wọ́ MOGAJI. Even on the surveillance, our member will direct them to join hands with you, sir. Direct you to the area commander, Mania. If area commander Ibadan, whatever you want. It's like that new station in Mania. We are yet to have a police station there.
Okay. You come from. I went to Ibadan last time.
And that's the headquarter, as a headquarter for this trip, new train. So if you help us to post maybe from Ibadan, a station officer, if they know, it's difficult for them to join PCRC because they say we don't have our own direct bus here.
I will ask the area commander Ibadan.
Yes, sir.
We will find out from the railway
Yes, sir.
if there is a place.
There is inside.
they can provide for the police.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
I will do that, sir.
God bless you, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
And don't forget to help us to direct him to the team will visit him even next week. If we know he is expecting them with your directive, so we make it happen, inshallah.
I will feed you back by the grace of God. By next week, we'll pay visit to the panel.
After the CP give directive, you people should. Baba Gege, Baba, if you want
Yes,
to
sir.
do this together,
Okay, sir, my chair.
please, do it together. We visit the area commander first,
Yes, sir.
because that's the area we, we control Abeokuta and others.
Yes, sir.
If Oga give him directive, he too will give the PPO directive. So
Yes, sir.
you get the list from him and you visit.
Okay, sir.
To offer everywhere, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And after that, work on all these villages.
Okay, sir.
When you meet the area commander, started visiting all these villagers that rail past them, they are your member, bring them together, give them the number of PRO here, inform them if they notice any strange thing. They are Nigerian. This criminal element, at times they used to tell the villager that they are from the railway.
Yes.
Your role is to call the police, CP or anybody. CP, sir, in so village, some people are removing railway this thing. They claim they are from railway. CP or anybody will call the appropriate authority. The railway will know whether they are genuine or not. You can challenge them. So even if they put a railway tag, that doesn't stop you. The people they arrest in Kaduna, they went with a trailer of a Nigeria railway.
So let me give you another instance. There is a matter now in Kafanchan.
Yes, sir.
Kafanchan is in Kaduna State.
Yes.
DPO there went on surveillance with his men. They saw one J5 vehicle within the railway compound. The DPO was not satisfied. He went there. When he went there, before he reached there, the vehicle zoomed up. He now asked the security guards. He said, who owns that J5 and why did it zoom us when it saw us coming? They said, ask the HOD. Ask the HOD. The HOD mechanical should ask. My men went away, but he said that when it is getting towards morning, come out again. Let us. And when they came out again, they saw that vehicle again.
That J5 again.
Yes. They now. The man said, "Actually, I tell you, could ask the HOD." They went there and discovered that they had pieces, some ions into sizable pieces. Some iron into sizable and into smaller sizes that will.
They are loading.
Yes. So they arrested them, and the HOD, when my DPO arrested them, we were threatening him. I said, look, you're a policeman. Don't allow anybody to intimidate you and put fear into you. Nothing will happen to you. If you are doing the right thing, I will support you.
God bless you.
I will go to any length to.
God bless you, Asifu.
So they arrested all the men, and now I said that they should bring them here.
Thank you. Yes, God bless
We will
you.
prosecute them in a high court by the grace of God.
God bless you.
So
God bless you.
I think they are doing commendable work,
God
and
bless.
there are some who were charged prior to this time. My men were used to charge them to magistrate courts.
No, it's not called.
But I told them that this is a heinous crime.
Against our country.
It's a crime against the state.
Yes.
So we must not play with
Federal
this with the suspects in this kind of situation. So, honestly, I've given directive that all the railway matters must be charged to high court. Thank you, sir.
God bless you, sir. I think.
So. Thank you, sir. Amen.
When you love someone, it's natural, not demanding. And that's one thing I'm proud to say I found in you. I'm so glad we reached an understanding. Now I know my heart is safe with you.
PCRC.
Thank you, Nation.
Thanks to the nation.
PCRC.
Thank you, sir.
Love to you, baby, I surrender. Get ready tonight. Gonna make this a night to remember. Get ready, baby, tonight. Gonna make this a night to remember. Celebrations in the
Holy.
night 'cause we're united. There's nothing in this world could come between me and you. We're together and it keeps me so
Yes, sir.
excited to think of what the power of love can do. And I'm feeling like a love that's so tender. Get ready, baby, tonight. Girl, I'm gonna make this a night to remember. Get ready, baby, tonight. Gonna make this a night to remember. Get ready, baby, tonight. Darling, gonna make this a night to remember. Get ready,
Much better.
tonight, baby.